He is Mr. George, a video editor. He uses different helpful tools like Sora to generate amazing videos for his projects. And meet Mr. John, a graphic designer. He uses various AI tools like Midjourney, Firefly to generate amazing ideas and also uses them in his projects to make things easier and precisely done. Now meet Mr. Smith, a teacher teaching students from different countries, a student himself, and an international-based content writer. He uses helpful tools like, wait, he couldn't find any professional tool to help him out. Don't worry, Mr. Smith, we will help you.
Wait, we also need help. Our clients are sending us instructions and requirements in French. How could we understand that and summarize to get the idea?
Don't worry, we got you all. Introducing the only solution, UPDF. It is here like a superhero to save you and your precious time, making things a lot easier. Besides them, I am a medical student who faced serious issues recently while working on my research work. Let's check how I used UPDF to help myself at the last moment. Otherwise, my research thesis was going to be rejected. Just open the UPDF link will be given below in the description. As soon as you open it, you can see amazing features of this tool. Wow! You get amazing AI features, which we will discuss in this video, and you will be shocked. And I bet you will not control yourself from using the tool as soon as you complete watching the video. Moreover, you will get other amazing features like edit, read, organize PDF, and convert other files like doc file, Excel file to convert into PDF. You can even protect your PDF and precisely annotate your PDF. UPDF can help you in banking, education, healthcare, and many other daily life departments. This software supports Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and is free to download. Let's talk about the features. After installing and opening it, you will get such interface, simple and easy. You can just click on Open File and select the file you want to work on, or you can go to Batch over here and get different helpful options like you can merge different files. You can insert a file like any name or something like that on more than one files in a single click. You can print multiple files at once and much more. Now, after opening the PDF file, you will get an interface like this. By the way, this is my research thesis. So on the sidebar, there are various options. Let's check this one. Now, if you see something important in the document, you can highlight it using highlighter from here. Just select, and it will highlight the text. You can change the highlight color by left-clicking on it, and then select the color of your choice. You can also add a sticky note to it by clicking this note option. So whenever you hover your mouse cursor on it, it will display the sticky note. Also, you can also add a separate sticky note by clicking on this sticky note option here. Now when you add a sticky note, it will appear like this. And you can drag it to the right place. You can also strike through any text by selecting Strike Through and just select the part you want to strike through. You can also change the color by clicking on the text and selecting the color as you wish. You found some mistake in someone's document? Just select the squiggly option from here and underline the text. Plus, you can change the color also. You can also add text comment, text box, text callout to make everything easier when you read your document again or helping your friend. You can use the pencil tool to freely draw anything and any shape. You can use shapes over here to create desired borders around the desired text. You can even change the border and fill colors and opacity. You can also add stickers of your choice to stand out the text or make document prettier. You get a variety of stickers. You can also attach another file to current document. And the attachment mark appears, so when you click it, it will open the file. Now the mind-blowing thing, you can add stamp to the documents. Also, you can add your custom stamps. You can also create your signature either by freehand mouse use or by typing on keyboard, or by inserting image of your sign. Now one of the excellent features which saved my thesis to being rejected is the Edit PDF option. You can just click on it and easily edit the text of the PDF with font of your choice. By mistake, I wrote the incomplete title of my thesis on consent form, and just before the minutes of submission, I noticed it. I also didn't have my original document file to open and re-edit it. So I opened the UPDF and edited the PDF, wrote the actual title and saved it. It matched the exact font style and size without damaging any other content in my thesis. Moreover, my front pages were not organized as per the format. So using UPDF, I quickly organized my front pages by going to this option and dragged the pages to the right place. And it helped me a lot. Now when you go to the Page Tools option over here, you will see 3 amazing features. You can add your watermark in various styles and control the opacity. You can add a text watermark or any image or PDF file containing your custom watermark. You can also add any background to your text, like you can add any specific color, image, or PDF. If you want to add an image, just select the Image section, select the image, and now it will be your document background. You can also add another PDF file in your background. That PDF file may contain some text, image, custom watermark, etc. You also get some other features too here. Here is Header tool. Just select and you can add header or footer to your PDF of font style and size of your choice. Now let's explore the interesting AI features of this tool. Just select the text and here you will get this option covering AI Assistant. You can summarize your document, translate the text, or this tool will explain the text in easy and simple words. You can translate the text in several languages: Arabic, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, French, Russian, and many others. Being honest, this is amazing. Let's translate this selected text into French. So we got this. Let's check, is it really valid? I am copying the translated text and checking it on Google Translator. Okay, so yes, the French translation is exactly what it is written in English without any mistakes. So instead of copying text and then opening Google or other translation websites and then coming back to document, you can use this amazing feature in this amazing tool with 100% accuracy, saving your time and making your life easier. This tool can summarize your whole text into points, helping you to understand and focus easily. And if you can't understand what the written text means, you can use this Explain tool to convert the selected text into simple words to enhance your understanding. I must say that this tool is just mind-blowing. No other tool can match this tool and its amazing features. But still, it's not all. Here is UPDF AI Assistant, where you can upload the file and ask PDF anything about the uploaded file. Also, you will get AI Chat Assistant, from which you can ask anything like various questions and gather information from here. It can even write a script for you on any topic. Simple, easy, helpful, and saving a lot of your precious time. We got another amazing feature on the list, and that is OCR, Optical Character Recognition. On the right toolbar here is OCR option. Click on this. Now you have to select if the document type is a searchable PDF or an image-only PDF. If you want a text searching option, use the first option, and if you seek to make an image out of the PDF, use the second option. For the searchable PDF option, define the layout with the drop-down options and click on the gear icon. For advanced layout options, there you should specify if you want to keep the pictures, compress them, and keep the other document elements such as headers, footers, text, and background colors. Following this, define the document language and set image resolution for OCR. Besides that, provide the page range and click on Perform OCR. Next, you have to set the location for the document and click on Save. However, if you select the image-only PDF option, you have to provide a specific quality option across the Keep Pictures section. Decide if you want to compress the image and set the page ranges. Following this, click on Perform OCR. Set the location for the document and hit Save to successfully conclude the process. That's so easy and helpful. Now you can convert your files from other formats to PDF, or from PDF to other formats like Word, Excel, etc. For conversion, go to Batch over here. Now, by selecting this, you can convert your PDF to any other format, or if you select this, you can convert other formats to PDF. Let's convert a Word file to PDF. Select the file you want to convert, and then click Apply. Now select the save location, and it's done. Now let's convert PDF to other format. Go here, select the file you want to convert, and then select the format you want to convert to, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. You can also turn on OCR from here or select additional settings. And then click on Apply and select the save location. And it's done. Let's talk about the pricing. Though it's free and most of the features are, but it is recommended to upgrade to a premium version to enjoy premium and exclusive features, making your life more easier. It is super affordable, and subscriptions are present related to your interest. Individual, any company of any size, or for the education system. Also, we got you a limited time offer. Click on the link in the description below and get an amazing discount. UPDF is a great Adobe Acrobat alternative, and it is much cheaper than Adobe. Overall, I must say this tool is mind-blowing and an excellent option to choose over other PDF tools.